This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for October 22nd, 2024. It's currently September 20th, 2024, 10:41 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $568.25. That's USD. The shuffle video for the October 22nd reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 4:04 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there, but always pay attention to the sequence of events because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance followed by a decline through key support. Behavior around the highest high, there's a notable drop off of the highest high to an important trough of some kind. Behavior around the low, we probably see the low more than once with that sideways S formation around the low. Also a cross-trading congruency there. And I'm advised to trade, this is pretty auspicious when you get the Magus card as a trade card. I'm advised to trade around this move to the upside that we have here early in the morning. You could likely open up a short at a high or just before 10 o'clock or somewhere between like 10 and 11. You don't want to chase the rally higher at noon. At that point, we're probably going to see a pretty big decline to the downside into a low midday because we have this unexpected move higher into a high. And then we establish support at a higher price level between roughly 11 and 12, but then right around 12 there's a sharp decline into a low, out of which we have a sideways fluctuating rally that then precedes a decline. Like we rally into key resistance between 1 and 2, and then there's a sharp decline back to a trough there around 130. The decline, and I'm advised not to chase the decline at that point either. You would close out of a short position opened up earlier in the day, there between 2 and 3, or maybe a little sooner, somewhere between 1 and 3. At that time, you would open up a long position for a quick day trade where you would close the long position at the close after a big move in the last hour, pushing the upper end of a range higher to revisit a crest that we recently met once before around the close. You could also, at the close, when we revisit that crest, open up a short position for an overnight swing into the morning. You'd want to close out of that short first thing in the morning in the midst of that decline. There's probably like a move to the upside at the open and then a decline out of that. In the midst of that decline out of that, if you miss the opportunity with this big move to the upside, you probably have to be really, really quick. Otherwise, wait for the decline. And that's SPY for October 22nd, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.